The 2012 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, navigation system, DVD system, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, Bose sound system, front air conditioning, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.